In your body flame on like my name drag on. I'm rough riding outside soon. Big truck driving, nose diving in dough. With my down ass on, it's rolling one for the road. G'd up from my head to my toe. And both my nails up cause I let mine grow.
Pimp shit, nigga. Don't disrespect me, nigga.
I'm a motherfucking soldier, nigga. It ain't nobody out there that can stop me, nigga, for God. So I'ma ride till the day that I die. I'ma live my life. I'm a motherfucking soldier, nigga. It ain't nobody out there that can stop me, nigga, for God. So I'ma ride till the day that I die. I'ma live my life.
Being the realest, I was sent to prison, incarcerated, so I asked my family for forgiveness. This is gonna stop a while they got the stuff locked away. I gotta fight to survive and see another day. Lord help me, take the world off my shoulder. This shit getting heavy, I couldn't pray to your father because the demons wouldn't let me at night. Some niggas praying, some screaming like bitches. In my cell I stay stressing when I'm looking at pictures. Yeah, I wanna think this is a nightmare. Wake up in a cold sweat, mad as fuck cause I'm still here.
Get dope. This is our situation, nigga. We in it, you in it, we all together, nigga. Get this dope.
Lucky Toriano, El Dolo.
What? Yeah.
We must be hustling wrong, cause we've been hustling long. We deserve a meal, that's what I feel's real. Nice cars, big money, the best deal. The baddest chick, a couple bricks in the house on the hill. We must be hustling wrong, cause we've been hustling long. We deserve a meal, that's what I feel's real. Nice cars, big money, the best deal. The baddest chick, a couple bricks in the house on the hill.
I've been out here since a young teen, serving to these dope fiends. Every year I get stronger, add a stronger piece to a strong drink. In my mind I see things that the average don't see. Ain't trying to judge, it's all love when you fucking with me. I'm trying to bubble, ain't trying to hustle backwards and have a couple of rocks when I should be on birth. The dope game ain't for me, that's what I told myself when I was sober, clean, and spirit feeling free. Locked up, making natural beats with my hands spitting heat every day. You can't stop my hustle, you can't knock my hustle. I'm OG, so I'm bound to bubble. Vicious pit with no muzzle, niggas in trouble. I'm off the chains, I deserve a meal and big things. That's why I'm an angry pit in the game, plus I want the bad